Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. This is Mamta from CAD NEST RR Nagar. In this class, we are going to learn relative rectangular coordinate system. We are already learned the absolute coordinate system, but rectangular coordinate system we can also find out the coordinates of the given objects by using the given length. And in this system, we can also consider the directions. For upward direction we can take the positive sign, and for downward direction we can take the negative sign, and also for the left and right direction also we can consider. So for example, I am taking the one, and x direction length will be 30 and vertical distance will be 40. By using the length, we can find out the coordinates. In this system, we can use the at symbol. In this system, we can consider the direction. For for upward direction, we can consider the positive sign, and downward direction we can take the negative sign, and this direction also take the positive, and opposite to this direction, so we can take the negative signs. And coordinate of this line will be at 30, 0. Horizontal length will be 30 and y distance will be 0. So that we can take line and specify first point here, and then specify the next point, so that we can type shift 2 and then 30, 0. And coordinate of this point will be shift 2, 0, 40. This is the upward direction, so we can take the positive sign. So this is opposite to this direction, so we can take the negative sign. So that shift 2 minus 30, 0. And for downward direction, we can take the negative sign. So that shift 2, 0, minus 40. This is the relative rectangular coordinate system. For more video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.